Today I'll be showing you guys how to do this realistic night vision effect inside of After Effects. Real quick guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. It's free support, you're not paying me a single dime. Make sure to also hit that like button, it really helps my channel grow and it helps YouTube push my videos out to other editors as well. With that being said, let's hop straight into it. As you guys can see, we're inside After Effects. The first effect we're going to throw on top is Mosaic. Go ahead, search that up, throw it on. Then we're going to go to our horizontal blocks. We're going to change that to 270. Vertical blocks, we're going to also change it to 270. And if we zoom it in, you guys can already see that we have those pixels and it already looks like a VHS type clip. We're going to go to effects and presets. We're going to search up tree tone. And what this is going to do is it's going to turn the footage green for us. We're going to head over to our midtones. We're going to choose like a saturated green. So something like this is fine. Then we're going to go ahead and press OK. Then the blend with the original, we're going to bring that to 40%. Now when we play it back, you guys can see we're already starting to get that night vision effect. Now that we got that down, we're going to add another adjustment layer. And for this one, we're going to go to our effects and presets. We're going to search up grid. Go ahead, throw it on top. We're going to change this corner to about 770. And another corner of 515. Something like that is already good. Make sure you guys change this blending mode to overlay. Then when we play it back, you guys can see that sort of effect that we're getting with it. I changed the corner to 530. I think this looks better, guys. So go ahead and mess around with it to your liking if you have to. Then we're going to go back to this adjustment layer. We're going to change that blending mode from normal to linear dodge. Yes, sir. It's looking fire. We're going to bring up the opacity. We're going to bring that to about 90. Go back to the borders and let's set that to 4 as well. Yep, that's looking way better. Now we're going to add another adjustment layer. This time we're going to throw on curves on top. We're going to bring it down just a little bit just because our footage is a little bit bright. Now we'll play it back, we have something like this. After that, we're going to go ahead and throw a glow on top. Go ahead and bring this threshold up. The glow intensity, we could put like a 0.5. Then to top it all off, we could go ahead and add a CC vignette. Let's bring that amount up to about 210. Make sure you bring that CC vignette to the top above the curves and the glow. And now this is our final result right here. And that's the end of this night vision effect, guys. If you learned something new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I see my analytics that about 80% of you guys aren't subscribed. So please guys, it's free. It only takes about 1 second. Hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacred Takes team. If you got this far in the video, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Just don't forget to hit that like button because it really helps my channel grow, guys, and it motivates me to continue to drop tutorials for you guys. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.